Rashmi from Revo Clinic. Welcome back for another useful video. Today my topic is about anti-aging food. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. Most of us want to know how to age gracefully, and also many of us are concerned about aging process, right? So thought, why not do a video discussing what we can do for our diet to slow down the aging process. I know from my practice, the older we get, the more we think about what type of food we eat and how it impacts our health in terms of disease prevention and skin clarity. So thought this should be a good topic to share with you all. Now let's talk in general about our daily diet and how it's going to help in the aging process. You should look for those foods which are anti-inflammatory to reduce that inflammation and internal stress that caused in our body, and as well as the antioxidant properties within our food. There are loads of different antioxidants and they have many different functions within our body. So now what is antioxidant and how it assists with those free radicals that create oxidation in our body? Actually, it creates from things like sun damage, from stress, from environmental toxins, and there are many different regions that cause oxidation in our body. So the more we add these antioxidants by eating right type of food, less chances for free radicals to remain in our body, which means less damage to our body cells. In terms of inflammation, in terms of skin, things like collagen production, tissues, and preventing those wrinkles and fine lines that all of us actually want to avoid. So sort of these foods are going to help us for aging process. The best part is eating foods that are anti-inflammatory and high in antioxidants. They are all good for our health. Actually, these are not the food I'm going to tell you don't eat or be careful because they are not good for some reasons. Guys, these are all super healthy foods and you can add these to your diet in a regular basis. So here are top 10 anti-aging foods that can help you look younger. So let's start with food number 1, that is nuts. No matter whichever nuts you choose, nuts are extremely anti-inflammatory. If someone loves pistachios or someone hates cashews, guys, you can have whatever nuts you enjoy because they are all good. Nuts are helpful if you have skin that is prone to acne. Nuts like pumpkin seeds, almonds are rich in selenium and zinc, and that can help purify the blood and keep your skin glowing. The other important nuts is your walnut. It's rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. All nuts are high in fiber, good source of proteins and some healthy fats. So nuts are good for your skin and your hair. So sprinkle 1 or 2 ounces of mixed nuts on top of your salad or eat a handful as a snack. So the next one is avocado. Avocados are rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, which helps to keep your skin smooth and radiant. They also contain a variety of essential nutrients that may prevent the negative effects of aging. Avocado is perfect for your salads, smoothies, and also make a great spread for your sandwiches and burgers. Next is our sweet potatoes. They are just nutritional powerhouse overall. Sweet potato is super high source of vitamin A. Vitamin A is our retinoid, and that again is an antioxidant and that helps with skin protection. Just think, if you go to a dermatologist and they will prescribe you something for your face. So what do they normally prescribe? Usually some topical retinoid type of product to apply on your face to help prevent your wrinkles and your fine lines, right? So it is same as your food. So eating food with high contents of vitamin A is going to give you youthful skin. Carrot also work in the same manner for your skin. You can mix it in the salad or bake it in the oven and can top with veggies and chilies. So the next one is broccoli. You may not like broccoli, but there is a good reason to eat broccoli. Since broccoli is a powerhouse of antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C and minerals such as copper and zinc, so broccoli helps in maintaining a healthy skin. Broccoli is full of vitamin K and amino acids, so it is again ideal for maintaining healthy skin immunity. Since broccoli is enriched with vitamin C, which has numerous antioxidant properties, so it's great to help aging because antioxidants help to fight the free radicals responsible for aging. So eating broccoli regularly helps in reducing fine lines, wrinkles, skin issues like acne and even pigmentation. You can eat broccoli in the form of salad or saute it with other veggies and garlic. Next food is red bell pepper. It's a tasty vegetable that can be enjoyed either cooked or raw. One bell pepper contains more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. It also contains significant amounts of fiber and vitamin B6. It is rich in carotenoids that can help prevent wrinkles and increase blood circulation to your skin. So it will help you to look more youthful. Due to carotenoids, red bell peppers are also great to fight acne. So you can add this to your sauté vegetables or to the salad. Next food is spinach. It's a healthy and nutrient-rich food. You may hate spinach, but it is a wonderful source of iron, folate, chlorophyll, vitamin E, magnesium, vitamin A, lots of fiber and vitamin C. Due to the presence of vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin A that helps to cleanse your skin and gives a flawless and glowing skin. Spinach also contains antioxidant properties that fight against your acne problems. So add spinach to your diet every day. Let's move to the next one. It's pomegranate. Pomegranates are high in vitamin C and variety of potent antioxidants. It helps protect our body from free radical damage and increase your body's ability to preserve collagen and also reduce levels of inflammation in our system. You can just have these tiny seeds as it is, or you can add to your salads to give that sweet and crunchy taste. So next food is our watermelon. It is actually a fresh and juicy fruit. Watermelon contains only 6% sugar and 92% water. Due to high water content, it helps to keep the skin hydrated and moisturized. Watermelon is full of antioxidants and also has vitamin C and vitamin A, which helps to reduce these free radicals that can slow down the signs of aging. So it's beneficial to add watermelon to your diet. Next important one is our blueberries. These tiny berries contain more antioxidants than almost any other fruits. Blueberries have more antioxidants than your green tea and are packed with vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. So vitamin A can reduce wrinkles and dark spots. Vitamin C helps neutralize free radicals and also prevents premature aging. Blueberries are also able to fight acne by controlling hormones. So throw a handful of blueberries to your morning breakfast. You can add to your oatmeal or to your smoothies or to the salad. Next is the most favorite ones, and it's cocoa seed. They are rich in antioxidants, flavonols that reduce roughness in your skin and protects against sun damage. Cocoa relaxes arteries, increasing blood circulation that leads to healthier skin. Dark chocolate contains high percentage of cocoa, so people who love chocolates can have dark chocolates. So 20 to 30 grams of dark chocolate add to your diet every day. Well, it's true that no single food can erase your laugh lines or make you feel 21 again. But a healthy diet full of anti-aging food can definitely boost your skin quality and immunity. If you need some information on a particular food, please put it in the comments below. Be sure to like this video and also share it with your friends and family. Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching.